Chapter 9. Running a Way of Life. You flip through the channels for the fourth time and realize that once again there's nothing on television that entertains you. Not a problem. Put on some running shoes and comfortable clothes and go for a run. One of the best things about the sport of running is that you don't need expensive equipment. All you need is a good pair of running shoes and a safe environment. But just because you don't need much equipment, don't be fooled into thinking the sport of running is easy. No one wakes up and decides to run a marathon without training. Running requires discipline, perseverance, and concentration. It's a sport that's good for your body and mind. Running strengthens your heart, lungs, and muscles. It develops coordination and makes you more aware of your body. Running also gives you energy by increasing your oxygen intake, and it improves your immune system so you don't get sick as easily. It can even help you stay more focused in school because exercise helps you to think more clearly. How do you get involved in the sport if you don't know much about it? Most schools offer cross-country and track programs, but there are also running clubs open to all ages. A simple internet search can help you find some in your area. The programs show you how running can offer competition or just be for fun. They also teach runners to set realistic goals and take care of their bodies. Runners have great respect for each other because they know how difficult the sport can be. If you go to a race, you'll see people cheering for all the runners, from the first place finisher to the last place finisher. Running isn't always about how fast you are or how far you're going. It's about getting out there and doing it. Participation is more important than competition, and effort is recognized over talent. If you're looking for more than just a sport, running may be the perfect choice for you. New words. Expensive, costly equipment, the necessary items for a particular purpose, environment, surroundings, fooled, deceived, marathon, a long-distance running race. Discipline, control, perseverance, determination. Concentration, close attention. Oxygen, a gas. Immune system, the organs and processes of the body that provide resistance to infection and toxins. Focused, concentrated. Cross-country, a sport of running. Realistic, showing a practical idea of what can be achieved. Goal, aim, objective. Recognized, accepted. Talent, natural skill or aptitude. Understanding the lesson. A. Complete the sentences with words from the lesson. 1. One of the best things about the sport of running is that you don't need. 2. Running requires an. 3. Running improves your. 4. Have great respect for each other because they know how difficult the sport can be. 5. Is more important than competition, and effort is recognized over talent. B. Answer the following questions. 1. What is the main idea of this article? A. Running is one way to keep your body healthy. B. You don't need expensive equipment to be a runner. C. Running for fun is better than running in a competition. D. There are many running clubs and teams you can become involved in. 2. Write 4 benefits of running for a healthy mind and body. 3. What is the author's main purpose for writing this article? A. To give historical information about runners. B. To teach readers how to become great runners. C. To persuade readers to try running. D. To compare and contrast running and watching television. 4. Tell whether each sentence is a fact or opinion. Write the word fact or opinion on each line. A. Running is not an easy sport. B. Many schools offer cross-country or track programs. C. Running develops coordination and makes you more aware of your body. Vocabulary zone. Match each vocabulary word from the article on the left with its definition on the right. 1. Lungs. 2. Coordination. 3. Immune system. 4. Heart. 5. Concentration. 6. Marathon. 7. Realistic. Grammar fun. We use adjectives to compare people or things also. Look at these 3 pictures and the sentences that are written below them. Aslam is a thin man. Ramesh is thinner than Aslam. Salman is the thinnest of the 3. The word thin describes Aslam. The word thinner compares Aslam and Ramesh to men. The word thinnest compares Aslam, Ramesh and Salman 3 men. There are 3 degrees of comparison of few adjectives: positive, comparative and superlative: thin, thinner, thinnest. When we want to describe a person or thing but there is no comparison, we use the positive degree. Compare 2 persons or things, we use the comparative degree. Compare 2 or more persons or things, we use the superlative degree. Formation of degrees of comparison. Positive, comparative, superlative. Tall, taller, tallest. Hard, harder, hardest. Pure, purer, purest. Happy, happier, happiest. Big, bigger, biggest. Important, more important, most important. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Fill in the blanks with the correct degree of the adjectives given in the brackets. 1. An elephant is than a donkey, big. 2. Shubham is than Vimal, tall. 3. Shivani is than Deepika, beautiful. 4. Tarun got marks than Umang, good. 5. This exam is the of all, hard. 6. Birbal was the man in the court of Akbar, clever. 7. Plum is a fruit, juicy. 8. Shimla is than Delhi, cold. 9. Robin was than Bhaskar, confident. 10. He is the person among all, strong. Listening time. Listen to the following sentences and circle the correct adjectives to complete these sentences. 1. An aeroplane is fast, faster than a train. 2. Eurasia is the larger, largest continent. 3. The peacock is more beautiful, beautiful than other birds. 4. This question is easier, easiest than the previous one. 5. This is the more important, most important chapter of the book. 6. It is best, better if you take rest. 7. This is the juicier, juiciest of the 2 fruits. Speak well. Peek out the degrees of comparison of the following words: soft, sad, intelligent, large, easy, young, fat, hot, sore, lazy, hard, fast, cheerful, dark. Write well. Use the following words from the article to complete the following sentences: marathon, concentration, realistic, immune system, heart. 1. Drinking juice with vitamin C strengthens our 2. When Jatin said he could run 50 miles, his friend said, "That's not." 3. I could barely breathe when I finished running the. 4. The nurse was monitoring her patient's rate. 5. The writer was lost in as he thought about what he will write next.